In this video, we're going to show you how to fix all .dll errors for Roblox on your PC. So I'm going to show you two ways to do this. The first one is to use the command prompt of your PC. So the first step is click on Start and search for CMD. So do this, type CMD for the command prompt and open it, right? So you're going to open it like that. And then paste in SFC space scan now and hit enter. And it will scan your PC for any errors and it will fix it. When the scan is done, close the command prompt and restart your PC. The second way to do this is just to uninstall Roblox. So type remove, add and remove programs. And just search for Roblox. And you're going to see here, you just need to uninstall all of the Roblox programs on your PC and then reinstall it again and see if that works. Because most of the time, those two work. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. I'm going to see you on the next one.